today, special treat.
But don't tell anybody.
Shh. We try some contraband. I brought back some Balblair from Scotland, just over there. So I brought it back to share with my friends here, and then judge it harshly.
So we're accessories to a felony.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Smuggled through the proper channels of customs. So it's not really smuggled, just shoved in the suitcase.
Is it Balblair, or Balblair?
Exactly.
Okay.
It is. It's one of those. So, Emma, why don't you come collect your...
Yes, our MC today is Emma.
As you will find out momentarily.
Who is this Emma person we're talking about?
And tell us about your beautiful non-tartan today.
I've got my saffron kilt on. Woo-hoo.
Whoop,
Oh,
whoop.
wait, I like the pin.
Whoop, whoop.
Oh,
What's
yeah.
the pin? Wrong side. There you go.
There we
Ooh, a
go.
little terror
That's
brooch.
cool.
There you
Yeah,
go.
that's nice.
Very nice.
Super cool.
Totes adorbs.
Aaron Gabra.
All right.
You're a little early, but
It's quite all right. Eric, what do you have on today?
McPherson.
McPherson. There is no fear in McPherson.
Yes, I have messed that up ever since I started working here. I don't know why.
Fair.
I was scared by a McPherson when I
Yes.
was a child, probably.
Yes.
So yes, McPherson Modern. And Rocky, what are you wearing today? As if I
Today-
didn't know.
What am I wearing, Eric? I won't call you out. This is the McDonald Clanranald
Which they can't
weathered.
see because of the table.
Yeah, they can see a little bit right there inside.
Okay.
Made lovingly for me by my friend Barb Tewksbury.
Yep.
Oh, I paid for it. Don't worry.
Dr. Barb's Tewksbury. Right?
Yes.
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 The
Doctor.
doctor.
Yeah. Me and Big B are on like.
Or on I'll call you once in a while basis.
I love Barb. I've
She's
talked to her
cool.
a lot more. I watched
She's a lovely person.
the thing for the V&A Dundee Museum, or V&A Dundee, their presentation that they put out online. She and I watched it and were texting back and forth during the whole thing at like 5 a.m. because it was 10 a.m. over there. Anyway,
That's very Zoomer of you.
yes,
Yeah,
thank you.
the kids
Thank
do
you.
that. They watch shows and just talk on Discord the whole time. So.
Yes, me and the I won't tell everyone Barb's age, but me and Barb Tewksbury are very Zoomer. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so Balblair, let's get back on topic. Emma, what do we got there for some tasting notes for Balblair?
All right, so on the nose, we've got elegant bright lemon peel layered with creamy vanilla and crisp green apples.
Now you see why I bought this, because I saw that and I was like, damn, I like all of those things.
Pretty damn good. I mean,
Yeah.
for once, my faulty brain sensory apparatus agrees with the notes.
Okay.
I mean, that's, in other words, fruity and a little acidic.
Yeah.
But a little bit floral. It's a very nice nose.
Yeah, I agree.
Lovely. Slancha.
A little pepperier,
Mm-hmm.
a little warmer,
Mhm.
so to speak, than a usual Highland for me.
Yeah, so
But-
the tasting notes we're supposed to be getting is ground spices and dried orange slices enveloped in intense set honey sweetness.
It is very sweet. Well, it's not super sweet, but it is sweet.
Yeah, I get a lot of pepper. It's a reasonable amount of sweetness. I get
Yes.
the orange zest. But it's a lot of pepper for me.
Yeah, it is peppery.
I'm gonna try cutting it a touch with a tiny bit of water.
The finish is creamy and leathery with notes of sweet
I was
vanilla.
gonna say it's very leathery. Wow!
Yeah.
I finally found
You
one.
got it!
I finally
Yeah,
found
ding, ding,
one.
ding, we have a winner.
I'm so happy. Yeah, I like this.
He likes it. He really likes
Jude
it.
DeClea.
So, all right, Emma, how are you feeling about it so far?
shit.
Have you smelled or snorted or sipped?
I've done all both. Three?
those.
All both.
Three? All both. Yeah.
Good for you.
Yeah, I like this one quite a bit. This is probably my favorite one that we've tried so far.
Out of the three,
Out of the three, yeah.
how many?
I've got a pretty developed palate at this point. I've tried 3 whiskeys.
You're an expert.
Sommelier.
Yeah.
I'm getting notes of dried robin's blood.
The water definitely chilled out the pepper. definitely chilled it down a little bit.
Yeah. I think I put too much water in. I liked it better before I watered it down. How weird is that? Because I think I lost some of the sweetness.
Interesting. Yeah, maybe I lost a little bit of sweetness. I'm getting more leather, like as I'm drinking it now, than necessarily aftertaste, but still getting it.
For the tobacco guys out there, I think this would be a good whiskey with a pipe.
Yeah.
This is definitely a good tobacco pairing.
I'd agree with that 100%.
Good.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is very nice.
Yeah, it is.
Feel free to steal some more.
Yeah. Throughout the show I will. I'm trying to remember what the price was. It was one, there was like, I was at the duty free shop or whatever in the airport. And it was on sale. It was like a good chunk off. So I was looking at this one and a couple other ones I'd never had or heard of before. So I want to say it was 45 pounds, but it was on sale already. So let's say it was 60, let's say $80 or $90, normal price on sale for about 60 or so.
Okay.
So
that's fair.
I think I think it would be a good, I think 90 would be a bit high. I wouldn't want to pay $90 for it, but $60, it's a good value.
I would agree.
I agree with that. Yeah. I agree with myself for some reason. Yeah.
Like he always.
Indeed. All right. So Emma, how are you feeling about the Balblair 12?
I like it a lot. I think I'm going to go with maybe a 7.5. I don't drink it.
7.5?
I think I might get this for my boyfriend for Valentine's Day.
Oh,
very good. Very good.
One.
Yeah, I'm curious if it's available in the States.
Oh man,
because I haven't seen it, but
that would.
Yeah. But we'll make it happen for you. We'll figure it out one way or another.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, sounds good.
All right.
Don't
Eric.
ask too many questions.
Exactly.
I'm up there. I'd give this like an 8.1. I would actually buy this. Yeah.
Nice.
I definitely like this.
Nice. Very good.
Yep.
I'm debating between like 7.9, 8.1. Would I drive out of my way to go get it? Yeah, I'll give it an 8.1. Yeah. I would drive and get it. I would drive and get it.
We have a matching score. That's weird too.
Yeah.
Can I also point out that they get extra cool points for me because they have a, you probably can't see it here, guys, but yeah, I don't know if the camera's gonna, oh wait.
Yeah, you can see it.
That, they've got like a, thank you, Adam. They have a Pictish, a version of a Pictish Z-Rod as their logo.
And on the cap.
Which is so freaking cool. I love that.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So it's not exactly a Z-Rod, but it's pretty close.
Yeah, it's on the cap as well.
Yep.
Established 1790.
BC.
So, exactly. They've been around for quite a while.
Mm-hmm.
They were Picts, oddly enough. Okay, cool. Hello, fellow youths. It's I, one of you, Rocky. If you're on the old clock app, if you're on TikToks, go check us out. Follow us over there. We actually do lives every Friday where I look up anyone's tartans who comments in the old comment section. So follow us over on TikTok. We're also on, obviously, we're here on YouTube, so subscribe here and check us out on Facebook. Go to our Kilts and Culture group on Facebook. That's pretty much it. So cool. Check us out online. Hang loose, my fellow youths.